How to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access. So if you want to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with the left side and you need to search for Ethernet. Go with Ethernet settings. Under Ethernet, make sure that it is connected. If it is connected, then you just need to simply go with the network profile of Ethernet and you need to make it a private network. After setting your Ethernet private, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your control panel. After opening the control panel, you need to go with Network and Sharing Center. And here you need to go with Change Advanced Sharing Settings or go with Change Adapter Settings. After going with Change Adapter Settings, here you will have Ethernet option, right? So you just need to simply right click on the Ethernet and go with Properties. Under properties, you need to go with Internet Protocol version 4. And after selecting that, you need to go with properties. And under properties, make sure that you've selected obtain an IP address automatically. And on the bottom, you need to go with use the following DNS server address. Go with 8.8.8.8. And after that, on the bottom, you need to go with 8.8.4.4 and go with OK. After that, go with OK or close, and your problem might be fixed. You can go and restart your device. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do, or the third method, is you can open up your settings again. After opening your settings here on the left side, you need to go with troubleshoot option. So go with troubleshoot settings, and under troubleshoot settings, go with other troubleshooters. And here you will have network and internet. So go with run. Here on the right side, you will have run option. Go with run. And after running the troubleshooter for network and internet, then your problem will be fixed. You can apply the fix, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.